Hello everyone. Well, my paper pumpkin just arrived. This is the December Watercolor in Bloom, and I wanted to open it with you. I didn't open last month's kit as an unboxing because I buy several kits every month and sell them at my events or to anyone who missed one who wants one online. And this time I didn't do an unboxing for December because I knew I was going to use them all myself. They were little boxes like this with these cute little tags, and I made little mini frames and I posted it on my Facebook page if you want to take a look at it. They were super cute and I wanted them all for myself, so I kept several boxes for myself and two people who told me ahead of time they wanted them, so I didn't do an unboxing. So I'm sorry if you missed that one, but never miss one again if you subscribe, right? Okay, so I'll show you the stamp set in a second when I have the actual printed material, but the spot this month is Night of Navy. Oh, look how pretty. So I love watercolor, so the name of it already had me intrigued before it even arrived. Okay, let's take a look. I love the little sequins. Self-adhesive sequins are always a favorite of mine. Some tear tape and dimensionals. This is really pretty little. I love these colors, actually. So, oh, look at these envelopes are really beautiful. I love I love the envelopes and I love the color combination. So the envelopes are all the same. And then we've got some card bases. Probably 3 different types of card bases. This kit makes 9 cards, 3 each of 3 different styles. So there's one card base. Here's some this is probably where we do our stamping. Oh, look at all these really pretty elements. I love that. Is this pretty peacock? Okay, I love this. That's fun. That's another background card, and there's one more card base, and that one is, I bet that's pretty peacock, which is one of my favorites, or Secret Sea, also a favorite. Okay, so we've got these really pretty layering pieces. This kit also features vellum, which I love. So each card has some kind of vellum accent, and these are different shape cutouts. And some foil, copper foil. How pretty is that? Okay, so it's beautiful card kit. Here's the stamp set. Dear friend, thank you. The little things you do for me mean so much. You make me feel loved. Miss you so much. Super nice. So if you are not aware, these little pieces are meant to fold on the fold line here. And then you can make a little pocket for your stamp set, which is what I do with mine, and then I keep them in a little flippy bin so I can flip through and I can see what I have. So that's what these are for. Some people cut them and put them in stamp cases. All right, and let's see what the finished card looks like. So here's the vellum on each of them. There's some vellum behind the copper foil piece. So pretty. And it looks like you can combine, that's really nice. They're combining stamps. So you've got the thank you, and then they're combining these two together. Miss you so much. Dear friend, you make me feel loved. So they're combining, and you can put dear friend, miss you, or, dear friend, thank you. Super cute. Thank you so much. So you can kind of build, it's like a word builder, sentence builder stamp set. I like that. Okay, this is the December 2025 Watercolor in Bloom Paper Pumpkin Kit. If you didn't get it, I get a few, and if you contact me pretty quickly, this one will go fast. I might have an extra one for you. If you never want to miss another kit, you can subscribe, and I'll put a link in the video description so you can link to the next upcoming ones. Upcoming January is really pretty. The box is a pretty floral. I saw the box in, let's see, January, February, March. In March, there's hummingbirds, which were really pretty. I saw a little graphic about that, and it's just really pretty stuff coming up. So don't miss that. You can check my blog, Best Paper Cuts, to see the flyer for the upcoming months. And also, I have a link on my blog of retired things. So there might be an older set from a long time ago you might have wanted. You can check my Beth's Paper Cuts blog and click on that garage sale tab, and it'll show you all the retired items that I have available for sale. Thanks for watching. Bye.